Hi angels, hi my lovelies, it's lvluxegirl back again for another video. So in today's video I wanted to discuss some Louis Vuitton SLGs. I wanted to dress my bag up with some Louis Vuitton SLGs. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, hit that like button right now. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out anytime I upload Louis Vuitton videos or handbag videos. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's jump right in. So I have a couple of my Louis Vuitton bags right here. My ALMA as well as my Speedy, and I wanted to go ahead and dress these two beauties up on camera. I thought that would be fun to do. I don't have very many Louis Vuitton SLGs, but I do have a few, and I figured I'd go ahead and play with some of them right here on camera with you guys. So if that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and let's go ahead, let's get started with the video. So I have these few little items right here, and I wanted to go ahead and dress my bags up with them. I'm going to start, I think, with the Speedy. Let's go ahead and start with this bag. I absolutely love this bag in my collection. I don't want to, I want to show her a little bit more love. I love all the pre-loved and the vintage Louis Vuitton bags that I have in my collection, but I have to admit that this is like my fave of all time. Absolutely love her. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dress her up a little bit for the summertime, you guys. One thing that I really love about this bag is this large pull tab right here. The Louis Vuitton pull tab is so large and heavy. It's such a durable pull tab. It has LV, it's marked LV right there on it. I do have the key for this bag. However, I don't lock it. I don't ever really lock it. And that's where she's marked right there. I love the color scheme on this bag. Initially I had one that had a little bit more yellow in it, but now I have one that has the two pink LVs on the side, and she has the gorgeous yellow right here, and then purple and blue. I'm in love with that dark blue. And then on the back here she has the lovely baby light blue. So I absolutely love her. I love the amount of patina that mine has. This is what the bottom looks like. So yeah, I really do enjoy rocking this bag in the summertime. One of my favorite of all times, if not the favorite, the most favorite Louis Vuitton bag in my collection. So the only thing I'm gonna go ahead and do to her, you guys, is add this little splash of the yellow clay. I basically ordered this with her in mind, and when I received it, I did a reveal on my channel. I'll go ahead and link that video, so make sure you check that out. But I just wanted to add this beauty to her because I just thought that that would really make her pop and look so pretty in the summertime, you guys. So I'm going to enjoy wearing her with this little splash of color, as well as I could see, wearing some pretty little yellow sandals or flip-flops with this bag with this. And then what I'm going to do is with my ALMA, I think I'm going to go ahead and put the red one on my ALMA. And I tried the red one on my ALMA before, and I really liked it. So I want to go ahead and put the red one on my ALMA now. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and put this red beauty right here on my ALMA. This is what the interior of this one looks like. Go ahead and put this red one on my ALMA. The ALMA is one of my all-time favorite silhouettes. I absolutely love the Speedy and the ALMA, you guys, as we all do. So I think that looks really cute on that one. So this is what we're working with so far. So when I wear the ALMA, I'm going to wear it with the red. It looks good with what I have on today with the red tank and my denim. And then this one, even though I have on red, it still would go because I have the denim on, which denim to me goes with everything. And normally, you guys know I wear a lot of all black on my channel, but in the summertime, in the wintertime, I'm always in all black. In the summertime, I can wear have a little bit more fun with colors, you guys. I wear all black, or sometimes I will throw on a splash of denim or a different color tank under there. So yeah, but this is what we're working with so far. To me, I don't know, but to me, they look so cute with that. Then I'm also gonna go ahead and add my luggage tag to my ALMA. And I'm still having issues with this luggage tag, you guys. I don't know. Someone was telling me how to, was trying to tell me how had a, I think it was Zola. Hey girl, I think it was Zola Solis was trying to tell me the right way to put this tag on my purse. And girl, I still have not, I still have not went ahead and, I still have not worked out the proper way. I know how to put it on the bag, but I just don't know how to go ahead and make it so that it's not so puffy, on my bag. But it's okay, I just wear it like that, it's fine. So I think that looks really, really cute with that. So this is what these two look like with that. And then the next thing that I was gonna do is just show you guys what I really, really love about this yellow clay. I'm not sure what the official color is by Louis Vuitton, but what I really love about this yellow clay is this interior. The interior is just so pretty, and I don't know if my lighting is gonna show it right now, but you can see the lovely like lilac purple on that interior. It's so beautiful. And both of these SLGs were made in Spain. Both of these clays were made in Spain. So I'm happy to get a France piece that's made in France, or I'm always happy to get a piece that's made in Spain, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach this clay to my Speedy, to my multicolor Speedy. And I think that will look really, really nice. The next thing that I'm gonna do is probably put my mirror for my Blanc, my Louis Vuitton Blanc mirror in this pocket right here and bring it with me. So, I try to always carry a compact mirror with me, and since I'm carrying my multicolor Speedy in Noir, I'm gonna go ahead and put my mirror in Blanc, and this is the Louis Vuitton multicolor mirror in the Blanc color. So pretty, the multicolor on the LVs. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this in my Speedy today. I wanna invest in another multicolor Blanc piece, you guys, off the secondary market. So if you see any out there and it's a good price and it's a good steal, go ahead and contact me some kind of way and let me know, because I'm very interested in adding another multicolor Blanc piece to my collection, because I think those are so cute. And I don't want a large multicolor Blanc bag, but I want another like the clay or another multicolor piece in Blanc in my collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this mirror. I slid it right down in there, you guys, in that front pocket, and it is deep enough. And then I'm gonna go ahead and close the bag up. And yeah, then I can go ahead, and when I'm ready to use and rock these two bags, they'll be all dressed. They're all dressed and ready for when I'm ready to take them out on the town or take them out for a spin, to take them out with me. So thank you guys so much for sticking it out with me while I dressed up both of these Louis Vuitton bags. And remember to hit the like button, and comment down below, comment on my channel, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And leave a comment down below for any requested videos that you would like to see out of my handbag collection, and I would be more than happy to go ahead and do them. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon in another video.